About 20 minutes ago, I decided that I was going to braid my hair. I want some long box braids. I don't know if I'm going to do knotless or not yet. I'm so excited to have a new hairstyle. For one, I've had these mini twists in for a month. I just have mini twists in and I braided them. I was trying something out and I don't like it. I've had the mini twist in for over a month now, just about like a month and some days, and I've redone the perimeter a couple of times, but the majority of them have not been done since the beginning, so I'll have to do some detangling. But I'm gonna turn each twist straight into a braid. Like, I'm just using the parts that I already have, just gonna turn it into braids. I don't know if I'm gonna do regular braids or knotless braids. It depends on what my fingers are doing, but this should go well. I don't have any nails on, so it should be a little bit easier than it's been in the past because I've had nails and it made it really hard. Today is Friday afternoon. As much as I wish I could finish this in like one go, I know that's not realistic, so I'm hoping to finish by Sunday evening. So 2 full days working on it. I have my setup ready already. I'm gonna be putting my hair on my little thingy that you put the hair on. This is the braiding the hair that I'm going to be using. I have 5 packs of this. I only have 5 packs, so I'm going to have to make it work. If I do knotless, it shouldn't be a problem, so we're going to see, but I do want them very long. So yeah, this is 58-inch pre-stretched hair in the color 1, and I'm going to section it out and get started. I'm watching season 13 of Married at First Sight, and that should get me started, and then I'll probably have to pick a new show, but I'm so excited. I have not been feeling like doing my hair for a while. Like, I've kind of gotten out of like the novelty of doing my natural hair, but with that comes less cute hairstyles, and so overall I just have not been feeling that cute, if I'm being honest, and I think I'm ready to rev it back up. I thought like maybe I could keep the same hairstyle for a long time, and that's just not me. Me to me, let's be real, that's not me. So here I am doing my hair. I am keeping in protective hairstyles for the majority of this year though, just because of the weather. And here in Guam, it's too humid to wear my hair out. I'd have to be doing it every couple of days. It's just like, that's too much. That is too much. So I'm protective styling. So we did the mini twist for a month, and it's just time for something new. If I could wear my hair out and it would last like the week like normally would, it would be better. I would just do my hair, but since the weather is just so humid, I finally understand the struggle of some girls are like, what do you do? Like, how do you fight humidity? I've never had to worry about humidity ever, and I guess that's why I've had like a nice experience. Never had to. Now that I do, I don't even do my hair. It's in the twists, it's in braids. Like, I'm not wearing my hair out when it's so humid, so I understand now. Hopefully I can keep the braids in. Every time I do a new hairstyle, I'm like, oh yeah, I could keep this in for months, just redo them every couple of weeks, keep it in for months and months and months. But once like the month comes, I'm ready for something completely new. So I would like the braids to be like a reoccurring thing, but we'll see. I don't know. I also don't know how big I need to part my hair. Section off this hair. Let me see. Before I even do that, I'm just gonna practice on one, so I'm not wasting my time. All right, let's get started.
Like, I might be opinionated, but I handle things a little differently. You know, should
All right, so last night I worked for about 4 hours before I just got too tired, and I did the side part on the side. I worked through about half a pack of hair, and I think this is like 24 braids. I have my hair in like braided sections, and each one had about like six twists braided up, so I think this is about like 24 braids. Yeah, I decided not to add any hair to make them longer just to keep moving. And the hair is actually like a good length. Like it's not too short. It's long. Like it touches my butt in the back. So that's good enough for me. I'm not trying to go too crazy. It's about 8:15 right now, clocking in, and I'm gonna work this side, this perimeter side, and then the back, and that's my goal for today. Let's see a movie over here. I just got done with a little lunch break, and before the break I finished this front area, basically the front perimeter. I went through 1 pack of hair, so this is like 1 pack of hair, and I'm about to bust open the second one. Next up is the back perimeter, so I'm gonna get that out of the way. I've been avoiding the back, if you can't tell. I just wanted to do like just start and do stuff easy and be able to see, so I just started with the front. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get the perimeter done so I can go out and leave the house. And I did end up doing just regular box braids with the knots. I think I said this already, but yeah, I think they're so cute. They remind me of braids and how I did braids in high school, which everyone used to do knots, but now everyone's been doing knotless, and I was like, I don't feel like doing knotless, but they're turning out very cute, very clean. I love a freshly done hairstyle. So I was able to finish the perimeter, so got that done. My husband and I are about to go get sushi, so I just put it in the bun. Hopefully it looks good. But yeah, making my way. Should be finished pretty soon. The braids are finished. It's a couple days later, and I'm kind of settled in to my new hairstyle. I'm so happy that my hair is done. It ended up taking me like 3 full days, but I did it over 4 days. So I started like Friday evening or Friday afternoon and finished Monday afternoon, so it was like 3 full days. Now I'm at a point where when I'm doing like long-term hairstyles, I want them to look good, so I take my time, but I also don't want to like tire myself and my body out, so I take a lot of breaks, and I don't work like all day. So that's just like a little tip. Just set aside as many days as you can to do it in like a week's time, you know, and just have fun with it, watch TV, but like still eat and take breaks, because I don't know, like my shoulders were hurting by the time I was done, because I was just like this for 4 days. So I impressed myself a little bit. I was like, oh yay, I can still braid. I haven't had braids in a long time. I haven't done like regular braids since high school, I think, or like right after high school. So just to do them again, it felt a little bit like nostalgic, or it wasn't like nostalgia, but I don't know, it felt very familiar and comfortable. Like I was glad to have something like that I used. I don't know, it was kind of different, I guess, and I'm really happy with it. It was much easier than doing knotless on myself. I think doing a regular braid, doing knotless is a little bit harder sometimes because you got to get the grip right, and these will last longer on my hair. Knotless get puffy at the roots and it just doesn't look that good to me. My plan is to keep these in for as long as possible and just touch them up every couple of weeks. That is my plan. I really want to do that, but I know like after a month I usually get tired of a hairstyle, but hopefully I don't. They're not super heavy. I ended up using 3 packs exactly, and they had like the 3 little bundles in there. So if you got like 1 pack, I was like, I only use 3 packs. I used to, like when I was younger, I used to have to get 10 packs. I was a 10 pack head, but each one had like 3 little bundles in there. So it was really like I used 9, basically 10, because I had to use like a little bit from another one. So I think it was like 9 single packs. I dipped the ends in hot water. This hair dipped really well. It got very straight and shiny. So yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. These are my next hairstyle, and see you in the next one. Bye.